Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love kitchens that feel modern, stylish, and full of innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top kitchen trends for 2025. Get ready for futuristic designs, cool tech, and eco-friendly features that will make your kitchen stand out. Whether you're planning a remodel or just love great designs, you won't want to miss this. We'll cover everything from luxury materials to smart appliances that make life easier. Let's get started. 1. The future of smart kitchens. Imagine a kitchen where appliances seem to know what you need. The fridge tells you when you're low on milk, and the oven preheats as soon as you start cooking. This is the kitchen of 2025. Smart kitchens will take convenience to a whole new level. You'll never have to worry about the oven's temperature or missing an ingredient again. Your kitchen will feel like it's anticipating your every move. Even better, there will be self-cleaning appliances. After prepping food, the counters will sanitize themselves. No more scrubbing hard-to-reach spots or stubborn stains. And the best part? It's not just about smart tech, your kitchen will be eco-friendly too. Expect energy-efficient appliances and sustainable materials, making your kitchen smarter and greener than ever before. Get ready for a space that anticipates your needs and helps you live more efficiently. 2. From smart kitchens to customizable kitchens. Now that your kitchen is smart, let's talk about how design will change in 2025. Forget the fixed kitchen layouts you're used to. Kitchens in 2025 will be customizable. You'll be able to adjust everything from countertops to storage to fit your needs. Need more prep space? Just slide the counter over. This shift gives you complete control over your kitchen style and functionality. No more trying to fit your needs into a fixed design. With modular pieces, your kitchen will change as your needs do. Your kitchen will evolve with you, offering flexibility and making it easier to adapt. It's a space that works hard for you and looks great doing it. 3. Colors and design. In 2025, kitchen colors and designs will be more exciting than ever. Goodbye to neutral tones like white and gray. Kitchens will be bold, vibrant, and full of personality. Expect rich colors like emerald green, navy blue, and dark, moody tones. These colors will make your kitchen feel luxurious, turning it into more than just a cooking space. Metallic accents like gold and copper will add glam to faucets, handles, and light fixtures, creating a modern, high-end feel. The design will be sophisticated yet inviting. Your kitchen will reflect your style, whether you prefer sleek dark tones or warm, bold pops of color. Kitchens in 2025 will be full of contrast and texture, breaking the mold of traditional designs. It's not just about cooking anymore, it's about showing off your style. 4. The rise of smart kitchen technology. Now that we've talked about bold designs, let's explore how nature will be part of your kitchen in 2025. In 2025, your kitchen will feel like an indoor garden. Think hydroponic gardens, living herb walls, and even mini indoor farms. You could grow fresh herbs, leafy greens, and veggies right on your counter or wall, so you have everything you need while cooking. No more trips to the store, no waste, just fresh, homegrown ingredients at your fingertips. These mini gardens won't just be cool features. They'll make your kitchen more sustainable and connected to nature. Hydroponic systems use water and nutrients instead of soil, so you can grow fresh food without taking up space. You could grow everything from basil to spinach, saving time and energy. But it's not just about food. These green elements will bring a peaceful, calming vibe to your kitchen. Picture cooking in a space with fresh herbs filling the air and natural light pouring in. Your kitchen will feel vibrant and healthy, combining nature with modern design. In 2025, your kitchen will not only have all the tools to cook, but you'll also have fresh ingredients growing right in your space. It's a new way of combining sustainability, convenience, and beauty. 5. Revolutionize kitchens. Now that we've seen a kitchen connected to nature, let's dive into the tech that will make your life easier in 2025. Kitchens in the future won't just be smart, they'll be intelligent. Imagine AI-powered appliances that work with you. Think of an oven that sets the right temperature based on your recipe, or a fridge that notifies you when you're low on ingredients and suggests meals using what's inside. These smart appliances will save time, energy, and help your kitchen run smoothly. Self-cleaning appliances are also on the rise. After cooking, your oven will clean itself, and your countertops will sanitize automatically. No more scrubbing or worrying about germs. Everything stays fresh and clean. And it doesn't stop there. 2025 kitchens will have integrated screens that you can control with your voice. Set timers, adjust lighting, and more, without lifting a finger. The best part? These technologies won't just be futuristic gadgets. They'll blend seamlessly into your kitchen's design. With sleek surfaces and minimalist designs, your kitchen will be as beautiful as it is high-tech. Your kitchen will be more than just a place to cook. It'll be an innovation hub that makes your life easier. 6. Shaped kitchen designs. Now that technology is doing the hard work, let's talk about how luxury will take over your kitchen in 2025. Kitchens will become spaces with high-end materials, sleek designs, and top-quality appliances. Expect matte black countertops, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel or brushed gold accents. These materials will not only look great but also last, keeping your kitchen stylish for years. When it comes to appliances, think built-in coffee machines, smart refrigerators, and high-tech dishwashers that fit perfectly into your design. These appliances won't just be stylish. They'll offer the latest tech and efficiency, making cooking easier. Even small details will add a touch of luxury. Touch-sensitive faucets, mood lighting, and quiet running ventilation systems will make cooking feel special. In 2025, your kitchen will be a space of indulgence, where you can enjoy the process of cooking in a luxurious, relaxing environment. These upgrades will not only look great, they'll also make life easier and more enjoyable. 7. Quiet kitchens. With all that luxury and tech, your kitchen in 2025 won't just be efficient and stylish, it will also be quiet. In the past, kitchens were noisy with blenders, dishwashers, and refrigerators. But in 2025, appliances will run silently, creating a peaceful cooking and cleaning experience. Imagine using a blender without the loud noise, or running a dishwasher at night without waking anyone up. Even the larger appliances, like fridges and dishwashers, will be nearly silent. You'll be able to cook and clean without any disruptive noise. The materials and design will also help absorb sound, reducing echoes and creating a calmer space. Your kitchen will transform into a peaceful environment, where you can cook, chat, and enjoy time without background noise. In 2025, your kitchen will be high-tech and efficient while staying quiet, letting you focus on the food and experience. 8. Sustainable materials. In 2025, sustainability won't just be a trend, it will be a key part of kitchen design. Kitchens won't just focus on style and tech, they'll be about conscious living. Imagine a space where everything, from appliances to building materials, is designed with the environment in mind. We'll see eco-friendly appliances, recycled countertops, and sustainable wood cabinetry. These changes will help reduce your environmental footprint while still looking great. Recycling will be easier, with built-in systems to separate trash, compost, and recyclables. Water-saving faucets and dishwashers will use less water while still being efficient. The goal is to reduce waste and energy use in every part of the cooking and cleaning process. Even the small things will go green. Expect LED lighting and natural ventilation systems that reduce energy consumption. Appliance packaging will also be recyclable or reusable, making your kitchen setup more eco-friendly from the start. In 2025, cooking in your kitchen will not only be luxurious and well-designed, but you'll also know it's helping the environment. Your kitchen will be a model of sustainability, showing how convenience, luxury, and care for the planet can all work together. 9. New materials that will be popular in kitchens. Now that we've covered smart, quiet, and sustainable kitchens, let's look at the materials that will transform your kitchen. In 2025, kitchens will move beyond traditional materials like granite and marble, embracing eco-friendly, durable materials that are easier to maintain. You'll see engineered stone countertops made from recycled glass or natural stone, which are both durable and sustainable. Wood will also make a big return, but in more eco-friendly forms, like reclaimed wood or bamboo. These materials not only help the environment, but also bring warmth and texture to your kitchen. They'll blend perfectly with sleek, modern designs, creating a balance between natural and contemporary elements. Smart surfaces will be a huge trend. Think countertops that self-repair scratches or change color with lighting, or waterproof wood that resists spills and stains. These materials will offer both style and functionality. For a unique look, expect textured tiles and metallic finishes, like shiny copper backsplashes and concrete walls, adding depth and character to your kitchen. With these materials, your kitchen will feel like a work of art, blending luxury, sustainability, and innovative design. 10. Multifunctional spaces. The kitchen of 2025 will not only be stylish and tech-savvy but also multifunctional. Your kitchen won't just be a place to cook, it will become a social hub, workspace, and relaxation area. Imagine an island that serves as a prep station in the morning, then transforms into a space for answering emails or chatting with friends over coffee. The kitchen will be adaptable to fit your lifestyle, moving beyond just one function. Open concept layouts will allow the kitchen to flow into dining and living areas, making it easier to interact and spend time together as a family. Flexible seating options, like movable chairs and stools, will let you shift from a breakfast bar to a more relaxed dining setting. For those who love to entertain, kitchens will evolve with features like wine coolers, bar areas, and hidden prep stations, making hosting easier. The kitchen will balance style and functionality, becoming the ideal space for any occasion. By 2025, kitchens will be integrated into the rest of your home, helping you balance cooking, working, and socializing all in one space. Your kitchen will truly become the heart